channel. Simply Natural Chi here. So good morning. So I'm just going to I want to prepare and go somewhere. I want to get a product for somebody because I recommended some products for her to use to maintain her hair because she's having some issues with maintaining her natural hair and like handling her natural hair. Yeah, so that's something I do sometimes when people demand products and they want me to get it for them. I just go and meet them at a point and give them, or I deliver it to them. Yeah, so you can check my other videos on my channel. I do hair vlogs, hair videos, and lifestyle vlogs. And that's basically it, and a touch of cooking videos. So yeah, ensure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Yeah, so I made rice and beans, then I made small stew with leftover meat. Then this is my food here. Yeah, and that's just it. So right now I'm trying to fix my nails with this nail set. Yeah, I think this one is the glue, and this one is I didn't even find my nails, like I don't even know. So yeah, I'm going to try this nail glue. Yeah, and yeah, this is what you use to file the nail. It's actually cute. So you do like this. I'll do like this. Bombastic side eye. Let's try to. Okay, I think I found it. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I think since it's my largest nail, I'm just going to take it like this. Then I think I'll do this. Okay, oh, I'm not even showing the camera. And I think I'll do this. I'll gum it very well, and I'll remove the stuff on top. Yeah, basically. So this is the glue. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to, is it focusing? Okay, I'm going to gum the nail and top it. Okay, it makes much sense. So this is it. Okay, so long. Oh my gosh, I'm going to use this just to cut it because it's not me that will carry this kind of nail. Please, I'm not Cardi B. So far this is what I've done, and it's actually okay. Yeah, so let's try. Let's keep trying. So voila. Oh my god, so long. I think I'm going to cut at the end of the day. Yeah, so yeah. So this is it. This is it. I don't like using glue because the glue gives me like nail infection. So I tried this one where you're going to actually So you actually use this, you remove it, press it on your hand and press the nail on top. Yeah, so there. This part, or this is like a toothpick. It came with the package. So you can just put it right here, like this, and pull it through. And that's all. So I tried this place too. You see me, I just like, look at it. Put it inside like this thing, put it like this. And that's all. Then dry it out. It still makes sense to because no swallowing and stuff like that. Spoil your nails and stuff, you understand? So it's actually really nice. This is nice. When it comes to love, the kissing some nails, they're like substitutes here. It's part of the nails. Yeah, so if you need them, I don't know.
You're a cool color. What color are you? Oh.
I'm the color violet. Can you help me find my two friends?
Sure, Violet.
Oh, wait, come on. My friends are the two colors that mix together to make me violet.
Huh. Okay. Let's take a look.
Hey, I told the guy to come now that you want to spoil the bicycle.